So guys, got something a little bit different to unbox today. You know what, you got to have a little bit of luxury in your life. So sometimes it might be a nice watch, sometimes it could be some nice clothes, other times it could be something, just something because you want it. What have I got? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. And if you haven't stopped by here before, please be sure to click the subscribe button, click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, as I was saying, sometimes you just need to have a little bit of luxury in your life. So I've decided to unbox something that I wanted for a little while now, but really, wondered whether or not, it was worth having or not. But you know what, life's too short, so I've got it, and here it is. So I don't know, this is an orange box. And if you can read the label at all, it says Hermes, the French designer company. So I'm going to unbox this now. What is this? This is a belt. It's an iconic H belt. You might have seen these around before or not, but in any case, I'm going to just unbox this now. It's going to be a very, very, very short video because, hey, what can you say about belts? But let's take the lid off, and you can see on the lid there that we've got the Hermes logo. Nice paper, well presented. Yeah, you know what, a bit ostentatious, but hey. And we have the lovely bag that it comes in, and that's the bag, and there's the belt, and there is nothing more to it than that. So this is black, and also on the other side it's blue, and I do believe that you've got some logo on here, but you can't really read it. But and that really is all that it is. So it's reversible, black and blue. So I'm gonna just pop that down there for a second. Gonna just put this to one side because I actually have two of them. Because the other box, actually, if I open that up, same kind of box. If I open that up, take the paper off, and here I've actually got, so I've got the box is slightly different on this one here. So I've got brown and black, but actually the all important part is this little bag, which actually has the buckle in it. So this is the iconic buckle that you see on a lot of these belts. So this is it. So I'm going to install this onto the belt. Guys, let me know if you've got one of these, if you think it's worth it. Okay, it's a little bit ostentatious, but you know what? This is what we work for, right? Little luxuries in life. So let me know in the comment section below, guys, what you think of this product, or if you've got any questions, please let me know. But yeah, just a really quick unboxing, guys. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Thanks for watching.